Tyrannosaurus Alan.
The ladies, they like grabbing my conkers.
You can't say that.
You, Tyrannosaurus Alan. I'm f***ing my birds. I'm filling my water with bang. Volcanicity. The grabs George. Oh, my birds.
Your birds?
My birds.
Your birds?
My birds.
Everyone has AIDS. Everyone has.
Wait, Mr. Volcano.
Twist my conkers for the ladies. Rain filters down through my handsome volcano rocks to create a wild mineral water. The grabs Tyrannosaurus Alan by the conkers. By the conkers. Try some. Hey. Alan? Alan?
Come on, world! I'm Tyrannosaurus Alan and I'll eat your penis!
Tasty Volvic!
Delicious!
George, you still filling your water?
Hello, Tyrannosaurus Yoshi! I'm f***ing my birds with my handsome volcano for my white stuff. You, Tyrannosaurus Yoshi! Yoshi!
Yes, I'm planning to snuff out all of your saber-tooth birds, and the plotting involved is astronomical. I'm up to my ears in graphs, charts, diagrams, and I've only got a brain the size of a octorok.
How do you do it, Yoshi? Do you perhaps try my conkers for breakfast? Do you perhaps drink new hydrating Volvic handsome volcano? It's got ginseng and will help keep you alert.
Yes, I do. Now, I'm off to eat someone's
You, I'll have you for breakfast. Come on, bird! I'm the daddy now! Under revive! Under revive! Under revive! Under revive!
Everyone has AIDS.
Come on! My lady! Volcano filtered so it's